Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send an invoice in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Now, once you get into the website, just follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to send an invoice in FreshBooks. Now, from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel of your screen where you have dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Now, I'd like you to click on invoices. And that's going to open up the invoices window where you can see all your invoices available. So I have all invoices, the Amy Books invoice, and this Amy Books as well. This is paid and this is draft. For me to send this, all I have to do is to click on more actions. All right, so clicking on more actions, so just move your cursor and just hover it over the invoice. And then once you do that, you're going to see all these icons here. These include edit and duplicate, add the payment, and more actions. So go ahead and click on more actions. Now we have this extended options, which include print, send by email, make a send, download PDF, archive, delete, and share via link. So go ahead and click on send by email. So are you sure you want to send this invoice? Only the primary contact will be notified. You can now click on OK. Now, this invoice has been sent by mail. Now, you have this option as well. So click on that and more actions. Now, you can click on send by mail as well and send the invoice by mail. Are you sure you want to send this invoice? Only the primary contact will be notified. Go ahead and click on OK, and you'll be able to send the invoice as well. Now, you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.